Self-storage operators are managing more calls, more tenants, and more locations with the same size team. Patchwork Labs was built by self-storage operators who couldn't find a tool to close that gap, so they built one themselves. Every operation has blind spots, calls that go unanswered, patterns that go unnoticed, time that gets wasted without anyone realizing it. Analytics eliminates that. Patchwork gives operators a real-time view of call volume, call types, and customer intent across every facility. For multi-site operators, you can break this down by location. You can also see exactly how your calls split between business hours and after hours, so you know when volume is hitting and whether your coverage matches it. You also get a live read on Ava's resolution rate, time saved, calls handled, and spam filtered, so you always know exactly how the operation is performing. And every report here is downloadable, individually or all at once, so you can share data with your team or pull it into your own reporting. The business value is simple. You can't improve what you can't see. Analytics gives operators the visibility to make faster, smarter decisions. Most operator teams are toggling between phone systems, text threads, and spreadsheets just to track what's happening with customers. That's wasted time and missed follow-ups. Call Intelligence brings everything into one place. Inbound and outbound calls and texts, call recordings, call summaries, full call transcripts, and even customer context like tenant contact, billing, and lease info. So your team has full context on every conversation without switching tools. Conversation tags, resolved, pending, and help needed means nothing slips through the cracks. Every conversation has a status. At scale, that's how teams stay ahead of volume instead of buried in it. Here's a real call handled entirely by Ava. No human involved. A prospect called in, described what they needed to store, and Ava recommended the right unit and sent a booking link, all in about 2 minutes. Watch the transcript and follow along in real time.
Hello, this is Ava with 1776 Storage. How can I assist you today?
Hey Ava, can you tell me about the move-in process?
Absolutely. To get you started with the move-in at 1776 Storage, you'll need to rent a unit. I can help connect you with all the details, including available sizes, pricing, and what you need to bring. So you have everything for a smooth move-in. Please hold one moment while I assist you. The move-in process is simple. Once you reserve a unit, you'll just need to bring your own lock and proof of insurance, or you can purchase a protection plan from us. Would you like to hear about available unit sizes and pricing?
Yes.
Great. What are you looking to store? That'll help me recommend the best unit size for you.
I've got about 3 beds, a dining table, some chairs, and TV and entertainment center, as well as a couch.
1 second while I pull up our units. For what you described, a 10 by 15 would be perfect. Plenty of space for 3 beds, furniture, and boxes. It's climate controlled and runs $75 per month. How does that sound?
That sounds great. Are you able to send me a booking link so I can go and confirm this reservation?
Hold on a sec. I've just sent a booking link to your phone. You can use it to confirm your reservation anytime. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Phone coverage is important, but leads and service requests don't only come in by phone. If a customer lands on your website after hours and can't get an answer, that's a lost opportunity. Web chat extends Ava to your facility's website. Customers can start a conversation directly, and Ava handles it with the same knowledge base, escalation logic, and resolution tracking she uses on calls. More coverage, no additional headcount. After Ava handles a call, the real work begins. Follow-ups, maintenance requests, and vendor coordination. Patchwork Labs automatically generates a task on the board for every inbound call requiring follow-up. Tasks include a direct link to the original conversation, the description of the tasks, and the associated facility. From there, your team assigns an owner, a status, a priority, and a date that the task is due. So, calls don't just end. Calls requiring follow-ups turn into structured tasks with clear accountability. When Ava can't resolve something on her own, the handoff to a human has to be seamless, and that human has to be ready. Ring groups define exactly who receives escalated calls, with real-time availability toggling so calls only route to agents who are actually online. No missed escalations, no calls going to voicemail when someone's already on a call. Additionally, agent scripts make sure that when an agent picks up, they're prepared. Pre-built talking points and call flows keep messaging consistent, whether it's a tenured team member or someone in their first week. All of Ava's behavior, how she responds, who she escalates to, what she says, is controlled in the knowledge base. This is where operators stay in the driver's seat. Each facility has its own knowledge base. You define facility info, escalation paths, payment links, and FAQ responses. Changes go live immediately. No dev work, no support ticket, no delay. Office hours adds another layer of control, defining exactly when Ava is active and when calls route to a human down to the facility, day and time window. Your team sets it once, including holidays, and Ava handles the rest. And because operations don't stop at the phone, the knowledge base also houses vendor management, keeping your contractors and service providers one click away. When something needs to get done on site, the right contact is already there. That's Patchwork Labs, purpose-built for self-storage operators by self-storage operators. Automation that handles the volume, visibility that drives decisions, tools that keep your team focused on what actually matters. And getting started is fast. Most operators are fully set up in about a business day. Visit patchworklabs.com to learn more or email hello@patchworklabs.com.